Hi everyone, this is Simon. Welcome you to my YouTube channel where we talk about computer and how we can solve issues concerning computer and laptops. In this particular video, I want to talk about one way of reducing the amount of space the video occupies. In simple terms, reducing the quantity of the video without losing its quality. For example, if I have my video and I don't have enough space in my storage device, for example a computer or a laptop or my phone, and I would love not to delete my video totally from my storage device. So if you don't want to delete it completely from your device, yes, I've got this video for you, particular one. You can do this such that you don't lose it, but you can still keep it in your computer or a phone, and you can as well keep other files or other videos. So in this particular one, we are going to compress it so that the video remains with the same quality but not the same quantity. You see that? So that's the thing we are going to look at in this particular video. So I have very many, I have my files here, videos, which I'm going to practice in this particular one to show you how that thing works, how you can do the same with yours. For example, that person who may not have enough space in his phone due to storage, so don't worry, don't delete your files, don't delete your videos, you can keep them as long as you can follow this video with me. So I'm going to do this is the video I'm going to compress. Now that software is called HandBrake. As you can see, this is the software we are going to use to compress our video, to reduce its number of its MBs or GBs. For example, if it is a 10 GB, 1 GB, you can reduce it to the amount you want, depending on the type, the compression you want to perform, by what percentage of compression you want. That's what we are going to look at in this particular video. So this is the application or software. I would love you to install it first if you don't have, and the link is in the description. Just tap on the link, that will take you to the website where you will download this for free. And its installation procedure is also very simple to do it. So click on this. After installing, open the file, open the app,